Do you expect this this decision from the ICC? Did you have any?
Of course not.
Yes.
We expected they appeal to their humanitarian side.
Yeah.
I'm
Exactly.
pretty sure they know my grandfather PRD's medical records. They know his age.
Yes.
They know that he uses a cane to walk. So I know that he's not a risk to anybody.
Yes.
So when they said that when I heard that they rejected all three grounds for interim release, I was shocked, but sadness took over my shock.
Yes.
So I'm not really
Anong mensahe niyo sa Marcos administration na nagpakidnap at nagdala rito kay Tatay Digong?
I hope that they're happy right now. I hope they feel vindicated on what they did. I hope they got some sort of reward from this. This is borderline or almost borderline. No, it's borderline. It's borderline inhumane. Keeping an 80-year-old here away from his family, away from the land he called home. So, yeah, I hope you're happy.
How about your message po for all the Duterte supporters po?
I can't thank you enough. Whenever I walk around anywhere in the Philippines, even in here, in the Netherlands, you don't hesitate to approach me to tell me that the deep love, respect, and admiration you have for PRD. That gives me inspiration to do better at my job, to be a better leader, and to help continue the fight to bring him home.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everyone, for your presence and your time here.
Stay brave.
Thank you.